So this is how you can fix Apple Pay setup error. If you're having trouble setting up your Apple Pay, this is the video for you. So first, let's start with the basics. We have to verify our location and whatever it needs, the requirements. So go to the settings, tap on general, scroll down until you find date and time. Make sure that this is set automatically. Once you do that, you're going to want to tap on language and region and make sure that this is also set automatically. That your region and language are, up to date and is actually accurate. Next thing you want to make sure is that your bank card or card issuer supports Apple Pay because not all of them actually support Apple Pay. So you can search, let's say you can search something like, does this bank or card issuer support Apple Pay? You're just gonna have to replace what I said with whatever bank you have. And yeah. And also ensure that your device has a passcode or a Face ID or Touch ID enabled so that your Apple ID has two-factor authentication. So we're gonna go back to our settings, scroll down until we find Face ID and passcode, enter our passcode, and make sure that we have our Face ID turned on. If it isn't on, then you have to turn it on so that you can have more security and Apple Pay will let you create a new account. If those still doesn't work, like if you already have those things on and it still doesn't work, what you can do is signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in. That's here at the top, this one right here. Just simply tap on it and then you can tap on sign out. And after you do that, just wait for 30 seconds and sign back in. That usually works. And yeah, that's about it for this video. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.